Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tethered to a power cord while vacuuming? I know I was, that's why I'm excited to share with you the Kenmore DS1020 16V Cordless Stick Vacuum. This game-changing cleaning tool has been a lifesaver for me and many others. It's a well-reviewed and popular choice among those who value convenience and ease of use. One of the things I love about this vacuum is its portability. It's so lightweight and easy to maneuver. I can quickly pick it up and take it wherever I need to, whether that's upstairs, downstairs, or just from room to room. The detachable hand vac is a huge plus. It weighs less than 3 pounds, making it perfect for above-floor cleaning or getting into tight spaces. I also appreciate the LED headlight. It illuminates dark spots and corners, allowing me to see exactly what I'm cleaning, and the 2-speed settings give me the flexibility to tackle different types of messes, from pet hair to dirt and dust. In my daily life, I use this vacuum to quickly clean up messes on my hardwood floors, and I've been impressed by how well it performs. The sound of the vacuum is also surprisingly quiet, especially on the low setting, and the result is a floor that feels clean and smooth under my feet. Overall, I'm really happy with the Kenmore DS1020 16V Cordless Stick Vacuum. It's made cleaning easier and more convenient for me, and I think it could do the same for you, so if you're in the market for a new vacuum, I'd definitely recommend giving this one a try. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.